That should take a record. Record. I've been recording before.
It comes in with the fault usually as well.
It comes in with a?
But usually a fault.
A fault.
Give you a fault.
Okay, so you're giving a fault list. So what was your fault list this morning?
Let's have a look at it. No CD burn.
CD burn, okay.
No CD burn.
Number CD burn.
I've changed over the CD.
You've changed over the CD?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rewrite but just change over.
Okay, good. Now, I'm hoping that you will be able to look at this afternoon yourself before we do anything.
Yeah.
And that will be the first thing that we're going to look at, okay? And that brings you to your level here, okay? That's fine. Okay. Is it finished?
Yeah, but software done.
Okay, good. So what's next?
Next, archive.
Archiving, okay. When you say archiving, what are you looking for? Or what? Are you archiving to save it?
To make it, to say that the CD drive works.
Okay, got you. Okay, okay.
It shows you that it's still
Carry on.
working.
Carry on. Okay.
It does a little partition after you do the software.
Okay. So it splits the drive in two.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'll do my archive.
Okay.
After it's another partition. I'm doing quite well at these.
Huh?
I'm doing quite well at them.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Yeah. That's good.
I think I've had one warranty.
Sorry?
I've had one warranty in a month, which is good.
That's good. No, just speak up because I think in record we're going to know in a bit because you're coming with me shortly as well. Okay? So I will check with you later on. Okay?
Just got to wait for it. It's about waiting. It's about waiting as well.
Okay.
Usually, because I'm a bit low on work as well, you see.
Okay.
Usually, while I'm doing that, all the software,
you'll be doing something else. Okay.
Fixing another one.
Alright, sure.
So, I've got no work.
Don't worry, they're going to come in more than you can manage them.
Oh no, yeah.
They're going to come in all at once.
I've had it before. Loads come in at once.
They're going to come in all at once, yeah.
Hectic. Yeah, I got that one on my schedule. Got that one. Other three are on soap already, soap test.
Okay. Okay.
That's what you do with these. You put them on soap for 3 days.
So 3 days to make sure that they're functioning correctly.
Yeah, you check them every day.
Yeah, check it, yeah. Okay, good.
So you should start the partition now.
Okay. Right. What is there any risk associated to this? What risk is there? Are you likely to get? Can you get a shock?
Can I get a shock?
An electric shock from here? Yes.
Probably could if you touch your caps and certain things, but not really now.
Right. What are these?
Messed about with the powers.
What do these do?
Codec cards they are. They control the image.
Okay.
The video image. If you never had them, you wouldn't be able to see an image.
Got you.
On
Okay.
screen.
Right.
And these are the worst things in the DVR.
Because they can be easily damaged.
Yeah, easily damaged.
Now, I see you haven't got any ESD band on you.
Oh, no, yeah.
Is that... where is it? Where's the ESD band?
Look.
Just pick it up for me, please.
I don't need to use it because I'm not touching the board.
Right, that's all right. Just show me where it is.
Oh, it's here.
Okay. Right. Okay.
If I'm touching the board, then yeah, we'll put this on.
That's fine. Okay, just strap it on for me for a second. Okay. Cheers. Okay, thank you. Just take off those things. I hear what you're saying. So you're not touching the board.
I'm not touching the board.
So you don't need to use it. Okay, that's fine.
If I take the board down, then yeah, I'll have to put that on.
Yeah. Okay, because then you can cause damage to anything else. And when
static.
Static. Okay. Alright, good. Okay. So we're waiting for what now?
What's that, sorry?
We're waiting for
time for the partition to do, and then I can do the archive straight after.
Okay, got you, right. Okay.
Caught me at the wrong moment.
Not at all.
Boils.
No,
it would be nice to see the change in the stuff.
Yeah, but this isn't going to happen once. This is going to happen again.
Yeah, it's alright.
And again. And because each of you have to be done.
Okay.
So, okay. And each of you work in a different style.
I'm just feeling famous at the minute, so I'll be alright.
Okay. Is there anything? Can you leave this for a moment?
Yeah, I can.
Because what I want to do is to go upstairs and
have a chat.
Yeah, and let's look at this.
Yeah, that's fine.
This filling, okay?
Yeah.
So I can never remember how to stop this thing, but it will do.
That'll take about 10 minutes anyway.
Okay.